Hello dear fans. How to determine sodium phosphate. In the school chemistry course, descriptions of a number of specific chemical reactions are given that make it possible to identify a particular compound. Many of them proceed with the formation of substances with colorful shades. This includes the reaction that can be used to determine sodium phosphate. Necessary: 2 test tubes, distilled water, silver nitrate, salt, presumably sodium phosphate. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare everything you need for the experiment. Place 2 clean, empty tubes on the racks. They should be wide enough. Prepare a container with distilled water. It is advisable to pour it into the retort in advance. Step 2. Get a solution of the test salt if it is in a crystalline state. Pour a small amount of distilled water into one of the tubes. Then put some crystals of salt, presumably sodium phosphate, in it. Remove the tube from the rack and begin stirring the liquid in a circular motion. Wait for the crystals to completely dissolve. If the substance does not dissolve in the test tube, it is not sodium phosphate. After the end of the process of obtaining the solution, place the tube back on the rack. Step 3. Prepare a silver nitrate solution. Use a loose tube. Proceed in the same way as described in the previous step. Silver nitrate, like sodium phosphate, is very soluble in water. Therefore, a solution of the required concentration will be obtained quickly enough. Step 4. Carry out the reaction for determining the sodium phosphate content in the solution of the salt under study. Carefully pour the liquid from the second tube into the first in a thin stream. Moreover, if the first test tube really contains sodium phosphate, a yellow precipitate forms almost instantly. This will be silver phosphate, which is practically insoluble in water. The ongoing reaction can be described by the following equation: 3OGNO3 plus Na3PO4 equals 3nano3 plus Ag3PO4. Thanks for watching.